Hello, I'm Matteo, and today I want to talk to you about a module that we have been working for a client and that we are open sourcing for the community to benefit. This module is called Field Protect, and it is useful for those cases when you want to convey information to the editorial team and you want to make sure that they receive the information. Because sometimes with a help text that you can put in the field configuration, it is easy to miss some of the implications, or especially if you make changes to the text and the editor is already familiar with the form, spotting that change in the text may be very difficult. In this particular case, let's imagine that we are working on the Umami website, and on the left hand side, I have a session for the admin, and on the right one um, for the test editor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to structure, content types, and this works for any entity type including nodes, and then in the manage form display. And in here, I already set this up, but to do it yourself, you will need to come here to this cog and then enable field protect and then set a message. So to explain, to show to your editors, to explain why they need to be careful about updating a particular field. Right? As I said, I already did this, so I'm gonna skip this and I am gonna refresh this. So before enabling this field protect, these locks on the field protect, you'll see that the form looks like it as usual, right? And once I refresh the page after setting the configuration, what I'll see is that you start seeing these locked fields. You cannot select the input. You cannot tab to it unless you unlock the field. And a tooltip appears here, but also dialog explaining that you can edit this field, but you need to understand the implications. And then it shows the message that the site builder configured here, and it asks if you understand and if you want to proceed. It also will give you this checkbox to remember this decision. So in fields that change very often, you're not bothered every time. You understand what happens when you edit this field, or what you need to do when you edit this field. You have that clear. So remembering this will make it not appear next time. I'm not going to select that, just going to unlock this, and what I expect is that when I click here unlock, it will just that of gray overlay will disappear, and I'm going to be able to edit the field as usual. So that's what happens. I went ahead and added this to different types of fields, like for instance the autocomplete is a multi-value field that is handled by a single form element. The media image is also very special, and then a multi-value text field. So you can see that it works for tags. You can unlock it. I'm gonna remember the decision for tags, so then next time when I refresh, I shouldn't see tags being locked for this particular user. The media image also works as expected. You can now edit it and add media, etc. And finally, yeah, the multi-value field. Again, you can now do everything. If I refresh, as I said, I see that everything is locked again, except for tags. So there you go. That is Field Protect. I hope that you find it useful, and if you try it and find any bugs, or you think of any cool features that you wish that it was implemented in the module, please submit a patch or create an issue. And yeah, that's it. Ta-da!